Welcome to Systems Planning. Enabling meaningful communication. Many of the systems we work with can be visualized. They have aspects that can be visualized on a map, for instance, or can be represented in ways that machines can understand and then they can show us. To understand a system, we need to see action, we need to see relationships, dynamics, how changes come about, states of development, and people's intent. In a very common way, this can be represented in text. However, text is difficult to visualize, it's difficult to verify, it's difficult to retain in memory, it's difficult to work with, especially after a number of pages. As an alternative, people use indicators and indices, which are easier to visualize and retain in memory. However, indices and indicators usually give a point view of a system and something is missing there. This additional information, when it comes in a form that is difficult to visualize, perhaps retain in memory. So, systems approaches have contributed with another way of visualizing and understanding how people think that systems are put together. This is a very good contribution, however, it doesn't tell us much about what the problem is. We need to mark this down, and this is a contribution by systems planning that we mark down on these conceptual maps. Our concerns, our objectives, our action, so we know how our problem relates to the system that we have just documented and visualized. Information is to be understood. It is not to impress anyone, and it's not made for machines. We better make it meaningful, and this is what systems planning is doing. Learn more at the Systems Planning website.